FC.
Good morning, counsel. Appearances for the record. When you give your appearance, please indicate whether or not you consent to proceed via Zoom this morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Kelly Collins appearing on behalf of the people, and no objection to proceeding via Zoom.
Good morning, Your Honor. Martisha Washington appearing on behalf of the people, and no objection to appearing on Zoom this morning.
Thank you. Mark Keast on behalf of the people. Also no objection, Judge. Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Paulette Michelle Lofton on behalf of Mr. Crumbley. We do not object to appear by Zoom this morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amy Happ on behalf of Ethan Crumbley. No objection to appearing by Zoom this morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Deborah H. McKelvey, court-appointed lawyer guardian ad litem for Mr. Crumbley, and I have no objections to proceeding with this matter on Zoom this morning.
Thank you. Good morning to all counsel. Good morning, Mr. Crumbley. Mr. Crumbley, can you hear us, sir?
Yeah.
Are you okay with proceeding via Zoom this morning?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Today's date and time set for a pretrial as well as a review hearing under the Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act. As all attorneys are aware, we must have a review hearing as it relates to the defendant's placement because he is a minor charged as an adult every 30 days. So this is the 30-day review hearing as it relates to Mr. Crumbley's placement. Mr. Keys, any updates or changes from the people?
Thank you, Judge. I believe Ms. Collins filed an update pleading with the court, and I'll let her address that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Just what we included in the memorandum that we filed with the court. The updates are the 4 options for educational opportunities that I know his legal guardian ad litem and he and the parties are working on. I believe that we have those arrangements in motion, and the prosecution as well as the defense did receive a report from the Center for Forensic Psychiatry since our last review date. Those are the only 2 updates. We continue to request that he continue to be placed at the Oakland County Jail.
Thank you, Ms. Collins. Any update or changes from the defense?
No, Your Honor. As Ms. Collins stated, the updates are accurate. In what was filed with the court, we have nothing to add.
Thank you. Based upon that information, as well as reviewing the memorandum of law filed by the people, the court does not see any reason to change its prior ruling as it relates to the defendant's placement at the Oakland County Jail, and therefore the defendant will continue to be placed at the Oakland County Jail. In the meantime, the court is going to set a tentative trial date. This trial date may change based upon the information that may be presented later on in this case, but I want to continue to move this case forward. So we're going to set a tentative trial date with the understanding that that date may change. That trial date will be set in September, and the proposed trial date will be
September 6, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
With the understanding that that date may change. Does that date work for both the defense as well as prosecution?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your
Yes, Judge.
Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. So this matter will be set for a tentative trial date on September 6, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Is there anything else that we need to place on the record?
Nothing from the people, Your Honor.
Nothing from defense, Your Honor.
Okay. With that being said, you are all set. We will set a pre-trial/review date in the next 30 days pursuant to the Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act. The next 30-day review/pretrial will be set for
May 19th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Does that work for all parties?
Yes, Your Honor. Would that be via
Yes.
Zoom or in person?
Yes, that will be via Zoom.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
You are very welcome. With that being said, Mr. Crumbley, you are all set, sir.